Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start our second subtopic of future tense, which is future continuous tense. It is used to express an action that will be going to happen in future. Future continuous tense का continuous है means वो जो काम चल रहा है, continue हो रहा है. तो future continuous tense action expresses an action that will be going to happen in future, जो future में action होगा. For example, I will be traveling to Japan next week. मैं जापान जाऊँगा next week में, अगले हफ्ते में. Traveling यात्रा करना. To express an action that will be continuing at some point of time in future. ऐसे एक्शंस को बताने के लिए जो कंटिन्यू रहेंगे, चलेंगे किसी टाइम पे फ्यूचर में. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, वी शैल बी गोइंग विद यू. हम तुम्हारे साथ चलेंगे. आई विल बी वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स टुमारो. मैं कल पौधों को पानी दूंगा या दूंगी. नेक्स्ट इज affirmative sentence are formed by using subject plus will be or shall be plus fourth form of the word plus other words. For making affirmative sentences we have to use subject plus will be or shall be plus fourth form of the verb plus other words. Like I shall be writing a letter. मैं एक लेटर लिखूँगा या लिख रहा हूँगा. He will be writing a letter. He will be writing a letter. Negative sentences are formed by using subject plus won't or shan't plus be plus verb की fourth form plus other words. They won't be writing letters. वो लेटर नहीं लिख रहे होंगे. वो लेटर्स नहीं लिख रहे होंगे. Negative sentences are formed by using not. Next is interrogative sentences. Will shall plus subject plus be plus fourth form of the verb plus other words. Interrogative sentences are formed by using will shall with subject plus be plus fourth form of the verb plus other words. For example, shall I be writing a letter? Will you be writing a letter? क्या तुम लेटर लिख रहे होगे? Next is future perfect tense. It is used to express an action which will be finished before a certain time in फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है ऐसे एक्शंस को बताने के लिए जो किसी सर्टेन टाइम से पहले ख़त्म हो गए हैं फ्यूचर में. एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई शैल हैव सीन द रग्बी मैच बिफोर यू कम होम. तुम्हारे घर आने से पहले मैंने रग्बी मैच देखा है. To express an action which will be completed in future before another future action takes place. ऐसे future action को बताने के लिए जो एक action ख़त्म होने के बाद ही दूसरा action start हो. He will have taken tea by now. इस समय तक उसने चाय पी ली होगी. Affirmative sentences are formed by using subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb plus other words. It is clear that in future perfect tense we have to use shall have or will have. We have to use shall have or will have plus third form of the verb. Third form is written or seen. Next example is I shall have written a letter by now. इस समय तक मैंने लेटर लिख लिया होगा. Next is for making negative sentence you have to use subject plus won't or shan't plus have plus third form of the verb plus other words. Like she won't have written a letter by now. उसने अभी तक लेटर नहीं लिखा होगा. For interrogative sentence you have to use will shall plus subject plus have plus third form of the verb with other words. Like will he have written a letter? क्या उसने लेटर लिखा होगा? Clear? Next is fourth and the last one is future perfect continuous tense. It is used to express an action which began before a definite moment in the future and it will continue up to that moment and will be in progress even at the moment. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस ऐसे एक्शंस के बारे में बताता है जो किसी डेफिनेट मोमेंट में फ्यूचर में बिगैन स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड इट विल कंटिन्यू अप टू दैट मोमेंट, और वो उस समय तक चलता रहेगा एंड विल बी इन प्रोग्रेस इवन एट द मोमेंट, और इस समय तक वह चलता ही रहेगा. बाय नेक्स्ट मंथ वी विल हैव बीन लिविंग इन दिस हाउस फॉर 2 years. अगले महीने में हम इस घर में पिछले 2 सालों से रह रहे होंगे. अगले महीने में हमें 2 साल हो जाएंगे कि हम इस घर में रहते हुए हमें 2 साल हो गए हैं. सो इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस वी हैव टू यूज़ have been with the subject plus will to express an action that is in progress over a period of time and will end in the future. ऐसे actions को बताने के लिए जो प्रोग्रेस में है एक सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड विल एंड इन फ्यूचर, और वो फ्यूचर में ही समाप्त होगा. जैसे आई शैल हैव बीन सपोर्टिंग यू सिंस 2009. मैं तुम्हारा 2009 से सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. 2009 से आई हैव बीन, हम सब तुम्हारी सपोर्ट में हैं. फॉर मेकिंग अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस यू हैव टू यूज सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल और शैल प्लस हैव बीन प्लस फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस अदर वर्ड्स लाइक आई शैल हैव बीन. राइटिंग इज फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. This is will have, shall have. I is subject for 2 hours. मैं पिछले 2 घंटों से लिखे जा रहा हूँ. The action of writing is going on and it will end in future. As if somebody is writing an essay at the time of talking and after we have completed our conversation he will stop at some moment in future, not in past and not in present. Next is negative sentences. For making negative sentences you have to use subject plus won't, shan't plus have been plus fourth form of the verb plus other words like they won't have been writing letters since Sunday. वो संडे से लेटर्स नहीं लिख रहे होंगे. They are not writing since Sunday. Maybe they will write on Monday or they have completed writing before Sunday. Next is interrogative sentence. For making interrogative sentence you have to use will shall before subject plus have been after subject plus fourth form of the verb with other words like will they have been writing letters. Will they have been writing letters? Will they have been writing letters? This is all about your tenses. Today we have completed our tenses and at last this is your tense chart. As you can see that in this chart there are different forms of the every tense which we have read earlier. So have a look on this chart and if you have any confusion you can watch the classes again. This is all for your tense classes. Today we have completed our tense classes and in our next grammar topic we are going to take some another important grammar topics. Till then, that time, stay safe and blessed at home.